Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix YouTube captions not working or not showing on YouTube videos. For example, if you are having the problem that YouTube captions are not showing or not working on your iPhone or Android device as you play a video. So as you can see, this kind of error has also occurred on the YouTube Studio notifications, and you can simply see that as you open your YouTube Studio, you will find the non-issue video captions not working, which means there is that the issue which is having occurring in many devices. So you have to wait for some time. If you open that notification, here is written, "Hi everyone, we are aware that some of you are experiencing issues with captions, including the auto-translated ones. We are working on the fix and we will keep you posted here." So if you want to check whether the problem has been solved or not, then you can simply subscribe to this option, and after that you will aware of the problem that that problem has been solved, and you can simply enjoy the YouTube videos as earlier you enjoyed. So if you want to solve it now, then you have to simply try it yourself. So you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to iPhone storage, and here you have to look for YouTube app, and in YouTube app you have to simply offload the app and you have to try to reinstall the app. And the same thing you have to do is you have to do with the YouTube Studio, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply install the latest update of the YouTube Studio and YouTube app, and after that you will solve that error. So I will tell you what is basically the error is. So if you open the YouTube app and if you play some video on YouTube, then you will get the subtitles. Here you can simply see that you can simply get these captions on. So if you turn it on, then you will find the caption as you play a video. But if it is not working on your video, which means that error is occurring on your device also. So you have to wait for some time so that that problem has been solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.